Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen and today I'm sharing with you guys ways you can use rub-on transfers. So most of these are from Amazon that I will be using, and I will link some other videos in the description box below. So if you guys still have some of the Dollar Tree ones, I have a ton of ways you can use those as well, just not in this video. So I found these rub-on transfers. I think I bought them before fall time, and then when we start doing fall crafts and Christmas, and it just everything gets pushed aside. So first off, I'm using these wood cutouts. These are actually from the website More Decal and Decor, and I will link that website for you guys. She makes some super cute craft kits with wood pieces, and then sometimes she has like mystery packs. So these were actually out of the mystery packs and not an actual craft kit. So the first thing I did was I painted them in the Waverly chalk paint in the color white, and then now I'm just adding this cute duck transfer to the cutting board. Now these rub-on transfers are almost kind of like a little bit puffy of a sticker, so they're not that actual thin rub-on transfer. So I don't love these as much as I normally do with other ones, but I mean, they're farmhouse and they had ducks and all the cute things, so I couldn't pass these up. And now I'm just adding a bow and embellishing it with some greenery. So for this, I decided to cut a few different farm animals out so I can stack them. So we have a goat, a cow, a donkey, and I'm using a chicken. And I thought that these would look really cute together because they kind of face opposite directions. So I thought it'd be perfect for this small little milk can. And I will be adding these to tier trays. I have a few of them. I have a lot of smaller ones now, so I kind of need to switch up my tier tray decor and make some smaller items for those. Packs that I'm using are two different packs that I got off of Amazon, and if I can find them both, I will link them in the description box for you guys. So you're going to see like some clear backgrounds on some of these rub-on transfers, and then you'll also see like that white on the back. But I just think these are adorable, but like I said, they are not that normal Dollar Tree rub-on transfer. They're more of a sticker, and some of them I was actually able to peel off just like a sticker. Once the last rub-on transfer was applied, I am just taking the color Hazelnut by Waverly Chalk Paint, and I'm just applying it to the edges of the milk can just to give it a little bit more texture, dimension. I just really like this color. I thought about adding like some bows or greenery to this, but I decided to keep it kind of plain and just paint around the animals just a little bit, and I think this one turned out so cute. And the next little cutout I am painting white as well, and this is from that mystery box or that mystery bag that I got from Liz. And if you guys haven't checked out her YouTube channel, I'll link that as well, but she always has some really cute craft kits on her website, and she always does tutorials on her YouTube channel, so if you guys want to check that out. So anyways, once I painted that, I am just gluing it to the center of one of these burlap canvases. This canvas is from Dollar Tree. I decided to use these rub-on transfers. These are from Redesign, and I love these. I don't know if you can find these anymore. It's been a long time since I've purchased these, but these are like the good old rub-on transfers. They're not like a puffy sticker. They're not any sort of sticker. They just go on so nice, and that Redesign is one of my favorites to buy from. I usually grab them off Amazon, but sometimes I find some really great transfers from Dixie Belle as well. And you know what? I'll just link all of my favorite rub-on transfers in the description box below for you guys. But I really liked this one. It fit perfect. It has that cafe on the top and who knows what else below, but it turned out so cute and it was simple to put together. One, I'm using a Dollar Tree house. I'm also going to be using one of these embroidery hoops, which is also from the Dollar Tree. I'm just using my hot glue gun to glue the embroidery hoop right to the center of the house. And then I'm going to be using this rooster rub-on transfer. This could be a chicken. Is it a rooster? Is it a chicken? Actually, let's get this little dilemma going. A few months ago, I said this and everyone came after me. A rooster is a male chicken, so therefore it is a chicken. There we go. So whatever you'd like to call this, chicken, rooster, male chicken, I'm just adding it to the center of this embroidery hoop. With these little sticks come with most rub-on transfers, especially the redesign ones, and I love them. They're like a really thick popsicle stick, but they work perfect for rub-on transfers. I'm using this green garland. This is from Dollar Tree as well, and I am just doing a couple rounds of this around the embroidery hoop just to cover it nicely. And I don't even know if I got that recently or a year ago. Sometimes I just go through my craft bins and find a ton of random items. And if I just leave them in a pile, I will eventually be able to figure out what to do with them. So that's what I've been doing lately, is just throwing a bunch of things in a pile and using them, because once upon a time I had ideas for them and they've been sitting around for quite a while. So I'm just going to be doing a second round around this embroidery hoop just to cover it a little bit nicer. And then to top this off, I'm going to be adding a burlap bow, and that bow came from Amazon. For this one, I love these little wooden boxes from Dollar Tree. They come in 3 different sizes. So this is the smallest one. I'm using the color celery to paint the box. So I did not do the inside because we're not going to be using it. We're actually making it a cute little sign. And that's really what I like to use these for, is to make little signs, because they will actually stand up on their own. I decided to dry brush it with some white chalk paint as well. And once that is dry, I'm going to go ahead and add a cute little cow rub-on transfer to the center. I thought this one fit perfect, and it is absolutely adorable. This one, I grabbed these coasters from the Chocateur website. I'm obsessed with Chocateur, probably just as much as I am with rub-on transfers. And technically, you can use these for whatever you choose. They have a ton of different surfaces on their site as well, but I loved these, but I wanted to use some rub-on transfers for this set. I also did pick up a second set, so I could actually put Chocateur on to those. But I'm just cutting out some larger farm animal rub-on transfers. So these ones are not that large. So if you guys can see some of the items that I'm using, they're small, and so are these transfers. When I bought them online, I never pay attention to the size of anything. So I've been kind of holding on to these for quite a while because they're so small. I just really did not know what to do with them. But I thought these would all look super cute on coasters. I did want to add this little farmhouse rub-on transfer right on to the coaster holder, and I love these. They are so cute. But you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you consider sticking around and subscribing. And I will see you all on the next one. Bye!